Hey guys, Andrew McFarlane here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Today I'm talking about the 4 benefits of starting a juice business. If you're watching this video, you probably don't have a juice business and you're thinking about getting into the industry and is it right for you? So I want you to stay till the end of the video because it's going to make sure that you really get a clear and comprehensive idea of if this is right for you and what the benefits are. But before we dive into today's topic of conversation, if you don't know who I am or what we do, over the last decade, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice concepts as well as supporting hundreds of people all over the world open juice businesses, smoothie businesses, acai bowl businesses, and more. All the information on this channel is coming from this wealth of experience. Early invitation, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, all good things for you and for me. So let's get to it. Now, diving in. Like I said before, it's important to understand with every business, there are pros and there are cons, right? You have to have a sober approach to if something is right for you. And not every business is right for everyone, all right? There are certain businesses that I have and that I like because they work for me. And there are certain businesses that I wouldn't want to open, not because they might not be successful or might not make money, but they're just not right for me and what's valuable to me. So with this video, understand that you may relate to some of these as being actually very, very important to you, and some might not be. And the point is for you to be aware so you can decide. So what's the first major benefit to opening a juice bar business? The first one is that it is becoming increasingly popular to have a juice company. Why? Because humanity is getting healthier. People are getting smarter. And I often say that we will know when the world has enough juice bars and healthy businesses when 99% of businesses that are out there are healthy, because there's no reason why we don't live in a world with every place that you eat is supporting your health. This is part of the evolution of humanity, and we're watching it happen in real time where people are getting more health conscious and therefore more juice businesses are opening and more of them are succeeding and making more money. So as this popularity grows, there's more opportunity for you to get into the industry and to make more money. So this is one of the first and major benefits of getting into starting a juice business. Now, what's the second one? The second benefit is lifestyle. For me, one of my favorite things to do was to walk into my juice business and grab a juice, get a smoothie, like just having so much access and ease to really, really healthy products. For me, the reason I'm in this business is because I live this lifestyle and I loved being able to just be in an abundant environment where at any moment I could just say, oh, let me take a lunch break while I was working in the store and I want to grab one of these raw cheesecakes we made. I want to grab one of these wraps that we made. I want to grab a smoothie. And I just loved being able to be, just overwhelmed with all the things. And as part of your lifestyle, you can have a business that you don't have to be in there all the time. Now, granted, you may work more in the business, but as a lifestyle business, you can get to the point where you do not need to work in your store and you can watch the sales online. You can run the business mostly remotely if you wanted to. And so it's good for your lifestyle overall, assuming that you know how to operate the business, because you shouldn't expect just that to have it magically happen. You have to really know what you're doing in order to run a business in that way. So obviously where we come in and where we support our clients. So if you need help with that or you want to get into contact with me, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. But just understand overall, running a juice bar business can be really, really beautiful for your lifestyle. So that's number 2. What's number 3? Number 3 is offering a beautiful service to your community. That is so profound and so powerful. Not just your community, but your employees. And in my instance too, with my family, like I just remember how beautiful it was that my mom would come visit my juice bar. I would get her juice. And I was just really adamant about supporting her and living a healthier lifestyle and helping her with her diet. And so just having her in proximity to the business was keeping her healthy and making her healthier. And so just know that not every business is like that. Some people run bars where they're helping people destroy their livers and get drunk and potentially make decisions that aren't good, leave the bar, and potentially get into a car accident, all kinds of stuff that really I don't feel is great for humanity. So knowing that you have a business that is ultimately serving people in living better and healthier lives and overcoming potential health obstacles that they've had, whether those are illnesses or weight oriented or otherwise, to me, this is personally my biggest motivator outside of money, outside of lifestyle, anything, is actually helping people stay and get healthy. So know that having a juice business is going to be an amazing and powerful and profound catalyst for people in your community in that regard. Now, what's the fourth and final benefit that I feel is most important to articulate when it comes to starting a juice business? And it is that overall, it's just a really positive environment to be in. Now, granted, you have to nurture that, but I've always found with my companies working in the juice business, people are just positive. You know, the staff, they love it. The environment is good. People feel good. People come into your business because they want to feel good. And overall, the swelling of energy is just fun and positive and beautiful. Now, once again, all these things are things that you have to nurture, but it's more likely that, you know, just to make that comparison, if someone's going into an actual bar where they drink alcohol, that kind of environment might nurture people being a little more aggressive. They might get into fights, whereas a juice bar is the exact opposite. People are drinking, you know, nice, tasty things that are colorful. It smells nice because, you know, you're juicing lemon and ginger, and just the overall environment feels positive. And to me, that's really important just day to day. If I'm going to be somewhere or my staff is somewhere, that it feels good and the energy is positive. So these are the four major benefits. There's obviously more to it, but just fundamentally on a foundational level in terms of what I find is most valuable to me and most other people, these are the ones that I wanted to mention. And once again, if you need support, reach out, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. Questions or comments, you know where that goes. Hope this has been helpful for you today. Last few announcements. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the notification bell. Like the video if you like the video. Don't do it if you don't like it, but if you like it, you should press the like button. And then lastly, follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. Really easy to find us there. We have giveaways and other things that we always and only release on our Instagram page, recipes and things of that nature. And then if you like podcasts, we have a podcast, the Juice Bar Experts Podcast. It's on Spotify. It's on iTunes. That's all for today. Hope you guys are happy and healthy. This is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. See you at the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you're inspired to learn even more about how to start your juice business from scratch, for you, we have a free ebook. It's called the 15 Steps to Starting Your Juice Business. And this is going to go through a high-level overview, through a step-by-step process on how you get your business off the ground. Everything from, you know, branding, menu development, finding the right location, and more. This is going to be a clear roadmap so you know how to go from where you are all the way to opening your store. If you want to go even deeper, we've also created an online course. It's called the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great depth on everything from how do you put together and think about recipe development? How do you cost out your menu and what's the math around it? What equipment do you need? How do you design your store? How do you find the right location? And so much more. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of both of these. There's links in the description below. So I hope to see you guys at the next video, and enjoy.